These are dominoes. You'll notice that each domino has two sides. You see dots on the sides, and these dots are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to make fractions that we can work with. In this case, we want to compare and order fractions in an activity titled Fraction Path. So in order to start, we need to just use the dominoes with 0 to 6 pips, and we need to remove any dominoes that have a side that would represent 0. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip these dominoes over, and I'm going to do this activity with a partner. So I've got my dominoes face down, and now my partner and I draw 5 boxes each. Now when it's our turn, we're going to choose a domino, and we're going to use the pips on the two sides to create a proper fraction. And then we're going to write the fraction in one of the empty boxes of our choice. Now here's the key though. The fractions must always stay in order from least to greatest. So if we end up making a fraction that can't fit in the boxes because we've already got a space filled in, then we set the fraction aside and we miss our turn. So let's give it a try. So I'm going to start with this domino, and I've made 1/5. So I think 1/5 is going to be one of the smallest possible ones that I could make. So I'm going to put 1/5 right here. Now it's my partner's turn, and my partner will choose this one. And my partner has made 2/3. So 2/3 is greater than half, which would be about there. So I'm going to have my partner put 2/3 there. All right, now it's my turn again. So now I've made 4/6. 4/6 is greater than 1/2. So I'm going to put 4/6 here. That's my partner's turn. My partner has made 2/4. Well, 2/4 is the same as 1/2. So they're going to put 2/4 there. My turn. 2/5. Oh, wow. That was nice. So 1/5, 2/5. Now it's my partner's turn. 1/6. That is actually the smallest fraction that we can make in this set, so that worked well. Here I have 1/2. Now it's my partner's turn. 4/5. Oh, 4/5 is pretty close to whole. And now it's my turn. I have 2/2. Oh, that's the same as a whole. Wow, that worked out really well for me. Now it's my partner's turn. Oh, my partner has 3/3. 3/3 is a whole. It would have to go on this side. So my partner would miss their turn, but I've already had all of my turns. So that means I've successfully filled my path in order before my partner, so I win this round. And I'm going to finish off by reading my fractions in order from least to greatest. 1/5, 2/5, 1/2, 4/6, 2/2. We can move around and add more dominoes, and we can play a game. So here's one way in which we can use the dominoes as fractions to compare and order.